guys, welcome back to Minecraft. So right now, I'm actually going over here, taking the stuff out of the furnace. So yeah, I've done nothing since the last episode, literally. I'm recording this like 5 minutes after I made that. I just keep going. I did some stuff, like I haven't done anything. Literally, I'm recording 5 seconds. The iron's done. I'll make the first iron pick.
I think to give you the
okay. We need how much? Like 4 gold blocks. So gold is actually really helpful because we need 4 gold blocks for something that you do not know because it's super secret. Until unless you actually know what we're doing, then it's not super secret. But I haven't told you why I need gold blocks.
Okay, don't do that. I got it. I'd rather do it myself. Thank you.
I know. I want to get some potato salad. That's what.
Let me see how much I get from this. And yeah. So I need 36.
We don't have any. Put a plate on top of it.
14. Okay, that's not even 2.
That's how you do it. That way it doesn't destroy the microwave.
How many minutes?
Do not use the sacred iron pickaxe for that. That was weird. Oh, we must have accidentally placed that down when he was coming out. You can leave the base only if Luke is not watching, because we don't want him to come in.
Oh, you need to get the coal yet? Oh, you mind the gold?
Yeah.
I need an iron pickaxe.
I'll make you one. I just needed, I'm just going down and taking all the gold. Here, you could have this one. How much do we have? 20. So we need 16 more. So if you know what we're doing, then you were listening in the last video. And if you don't, well, I didn't really tell you in the last video. I just kind of, oh wait, I never told you anything about it. You're mining with a wooden pickaxe?
No.
Okay, let me make your stone, your iron, I mean. Oh wait, this is just wood.
I got 2 more in here.
What's this?
Barbecue chicken, potato salad, beans. I got another can of beans if you want beans.
Here you go.
The barbecue chicken's real good.
It went right through you. And she's like, ah! I might smelt the gold first, because it's a bit more important than iron right now, but you guys have no idea why. Making a Minecraft video. What? Sometimes they just think I'm talking to myself, and they're just like, why are you talking to yourself? And I'm just like, I'm making a Minecraft video. Stop asking me that question. I'm not crazy. Or am I?
Alright, I got a gold.
Don't smack me. Ooh, more. Pickaxe. How much? So 2? We're gonna have to put that back. Here, I've got some cobblestone. I'll just line that back up. I'm only down here so I could get all the gold, because we need it. We need 16 more. So throw me all the gold you got. Okay, so we need 9 more gold. Find me that gold. I'm gonna go check where we may not have checked.
You gotta go check the other mountain for gold too, Lily.
No, shh, we don't want lift alone. We really don't want Liv to know, because then he'll bug us and steal. He loves stealing our food. I'm gonna go check out the crops while I'm up. Oh god, we're still really sick. Like, well, not really, really sick, but, you know, normal sick. Yeah, the difficulty's up.
Huh?
The difficulty's up. Oh. I was just like, the difficulty's up. Where are all the mobs? So yeah, the wood farm has taken off. I can only get 4 trees at a time. Barbecued chicken. That probably sounds really weird. You're just like, why did she just say barbecued chicken? So 7. Let me see how much we get with that. So we need 36 for 4 blocks. Huh, I can just add it in here. 15 plus 12. I don't know how much that equals. Ah! I told you they're coming in from someplace. Okay, tell me when you find gold. What's in here? Nothing. This is where we put all the cobblestone when we're done with it. Minecart.
Lily, me and Daddy completed Plants vs. Zombies 2.
Did you beat every single level?
Not the mystery levels. Like, there is a kind of mystery level, and guess what happens? Like, there is this world called Lost City, and it's coming out.
Have you beat every single level of every single world?
Yeah.
Beat every single level of every single world, except for the mystery level. Oh, that's an accomplishment. That's an accomplishment. Where's that steak? Did we also lose the steak? Oh, we lost the steak. Let me try and throw down an egg. If I get another chicken, oh man, I don't want any seeds. Oh, cool. Found gold. I need seeds to be able to do anything. Seeds. No seeds.
Just one.
Okay, I only need 2. So I can make them have a baby chicken. Maybe they won't run out. Okay, back up you guys. Love mode. Love mode.
How many golds you need?
Hey. Yo, we don't have any more seeds. They got out. This is bad.
How many golds you need, Lily?
9. Just build a wall with anything.
I got 6 more than mine.
6 more than 9?
Be quiet, Lucas.
No, Nick, get up, get up. Okay, so there's a big wall in front of the house because the chickens got out and I can't put them back in yet. What? How did you get out? Oh. Man, I'm done. Ooh, maybe the baby chicken and the mama chicken could just be good chickens and get back downstairs, down into the house. Mom, baby chicken, go with your mama. Go with the mama. Go with mama. I'll put the other chicken back in. Once one of these grows, which, cool, I have bones. So I can get more than one seed. 3. Okay, 1, 2. I need this last one to bring this chicken in. To bring them back into their house, I guess. Come on, Daddy Chicken. So come down. No, Steve made it. Crap, my brother made it.
Guys, where are you?
You have to find the secret entrance. He's deep underground, and I'm kind of far. Chickens! Chickens! Chicken! You wanna come in and have a home together?
Cold enough?
Go.
Good chickens. Sand. Where's the sand? I have to go get the sand up here. I had to get their door because I took it with me to try and make them go back inside. You're too young. Plus you have a baby chicken. So I could kill one of them soon. Let's hope it's not the mama chicken. No, chicken. I have seeds. Okay, so just let me push behind you. Yeah, just move over that little bit. Little bit more. Ha! I win. Now I have to take this down. Well, that's not really a win because I'm the one who wants to take down the wall. And at least you're back in your home. I'll make it better for you later. Ooh, one of them dropped an egg. What do you bet whenever I throw the egg, it's going to be a chicken?
Yeah, 45 cold.
So their house, right here. Take out the egg. Don't start yet. Oops. Did I hurt you? Sand. Just block that. Okay, I think that's it for today. Bye, guys.